Good day everyone, I am Carl Stephen Romaldo from Basic Maths 1A of Kapalong College of Agricultural Sciences and Technology. And in this video, I will teach you and share some knowledge about derivation of double angle formulas. So, these are the double angle formulas. The first formula is the sine double angle formula. This formula can derive this formula using the angle addition formula or sine, which is the sine times the quantity of a plus b equals sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, and let the a and b equals theta. So sine times the quantity of theta plus theta is equals to sine theta cos theta plus cos theta sine theta. So simplify this expression, which is the answer is sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cos theta. So the second formula is cosine double angle formula, which is cos 2 theta equals cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So this you can derive this formula using the addition formula for cosine, which is cos times a plus b equals cos a cos b minus sine a sine b, and let the a and b is equals to theta. So cos times quantity of theta plus theta is equals to cosine theta minus sine theta times sine theta. So simplifying this expression gives the cos 2 theta equals cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So this is the cosine double angle formula. So the tangent double angle formula is tan 2 theta equals 2 tan theta divide 1 minus tan squared theta. So tan times quantity of a plus b equals tan a plus tan a over 1 minus tan a times tan b. So let a and b equals to theta. Tan times theta plus theta equals tan theta plus tan theta over 1 minus theta times tan theta. So trying this expression gives tan 2 theta equals 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan theta times tan theta is equals to tan squared theta. So that is the derivation of double angle formulas. Example: sine theta is equals to 3 over 5. Then 0 theta is greater than 0 and angle theta is lesser than pi over 2. So integrate, which is 180 divide 2, so 90 degrees. Angle theta is lesser than 90 degrees, greater than 0. So draw a right triangle. This sine is opposite over hypotenuse from so ka to wa. Opposite hypotenuse. So the opposite is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. So let's find the adjacent. So to find the missing side is, we will use Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So substitute c in the a. C is 5 squared equals 3 squared plus b squared. So 5 times 5, 25 plus 3 squared is 9. Transpose the 9. 25 minus 9 is equals to b squared. 25 minus 9 is 16 plus b. So square root of 16 is 4. B squared is b. So this is the adjacent, which is 4. So after that, we find cosine theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent is 4, the hypotenuse is 5, and tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. That is 3 over the adjacent is 4. So sorry, I forgot. This is in the quadrant 1. Since the angle theta is lesser than 90 degrees, greater than 0. So the angle formula, let's find the sine 2 theta, which is sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta times cos theta. So distribute. Sine theta is 3 over 5 and the cos theta is 4 over 5. So let's imagine that there is 1. So simplify. 2 times 3 is 6 times 4 is 24, and multiply this. Denominator is equals to 25, and that is the sine 2 theta. And for cosine theta is cosine theta. Cosine double angle formula is cos 2 theta is equals to cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So let's substitute that cos theta is 4 over 5 squared minus this sine theta is 3 over 5 squared. Simplify. 4 squared is 16, and 5 squared is 25. minus 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. So the answer is 16 minus 9 is 7, and copy the denominator, which is 25. This day cos 2 theta. For the tangent double angle formula is tangent 2 theta is equals to 2 theta over 1 over tan squared theta. So distribute the tangent theta is 3 over 4 over 1 minus tangent is 3 over 4 squared. So by 2 times 3 6, then this 9 over 4 squared is 16. Copy the 1 minus, so this 6 over 4 over 9 over 16. So let's reduce the 6 over 4 to 3 over 2. Then the 1 minus 9 over 16 is, let's copy the denominator, 16 times 1 is 16 minus 9 is 7. So 3 over 2 times the reciprocal of 7 over 16 is 16 over 7. The answer is, so can be 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Copy that 7, and that is the tangent to theta. So we have shortcut of that, which is tan squared theta is equals to sine